Mampani na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo krata efiri Dr. Otenjesi enchan bedu na so ye no waje krata natum.
Sadra na Traders Advocacy Group Wama Dr. Laji Mamudu ba umi abaso senhye ya wo so de ba na me ya na dom ye to abama no ebeboa pa.
Woni a owa ahomejemu a onsika da ho a wo twen se aban fama wo mo no enu a wokeka wo ho na emu asem ekosi sen.
Papa Nelson Dafia Makpo wadi nsem bi koda wo me Supreme Court efa soafo a yayi wo mo na den na si.
Woni a wo fa nuanu no bum na wotopete se ba ya enkoda ye wo school sahodo benya biade no omotem
waya kefo de abasen ne wo mo soro wo mo betwero se bia wo nko school wa ha ne de wakowura ha ko register na fe ye nyen sa
breman arusi empanifo ye da school na no e kase na mianim ne ade bi wo ha e koso fa wo school no ho a omade nye ho kra
wo yini ni amakrancha does of mami premier ni enemy din mene
nana kwabra kese
Yenyi nadra yendim se Yesu amani hu aboaboa ene egusu a ye boaboa yi ne duru sa ye maame ne ye papa no konfo wonum na age ahia ne bepo no so de wobo mai wo mu ne adaage kora wonum ko ekohye fan di hye onyankoro pontwene di ampon amo awisi enso ani munyam enam so ma kwanhya kirifo bi asi ewo checheweria ene wo ayensua no epoye emantamu ababe todwa se asrafo a aprosifo ekwa akokko boban ewo kwawu ama bibia tomu se de be na bambo sam so betumi agina ne naso no emu miensa ena afemu ahwere wonum enkwa wo ma procedure kondin krate pie monteso a wo chirim se no kore wo ma djuma efo miensa ena afemu ahwere wonum enkwa
yanko okay
Ebusia said ye wo hye no ene baabi akwanhia no si ye ena wani gusu a ya wo hye ai na chese nipa awere ho pa aprosifo na yeyi wonu ma yegu fom sa no eyare ho sem kwabra
abusa yanko ya ni na Ghana mampani na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo agina ni tumi so ama krata ya efiri Dr. Anthony Otenjesi nchan eba ye se board chair de Ghana Revenue Authority no mampani age ede atum krata na tenten ene ntietia nyira ene se o mampani tumi ya na ekita no a wadigu sa abedwako ya eya adwuma ede ama Ghana Revenue Authority no wogu sa abedwako no na opani ne krata akoma na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo se ampa odanase se oma no akonya se omeye adwuma emfamoa se board chair de Ghana Revenue Authority omampani so age krata na tum adanase na emu asem makire nsem kakra ene se ebra opani de na adwuma aba na wie ya wode krata akoma omampani na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo no na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo agina ne tumi so abo Madam Julie Esiam se wono ne nkoye Commissioner General of Ghana Revenue Authority na mami ena ekosi Dr. Amishadai Owusu Amua anai se new GRA boss na Ghana mampani ne nado dankwa Akufo-Addo ebra nensa aka krata no ensampi ana wode atu dwada wo mo asepa se empo omutimi nya akwan na adwuma wode ma wo mo no omatumi aye empanifo bia na edasa abedwakona no a Dr. Otenjesi wono board chair resign no empanifo no bi yewura a yefre no Amishadai Owusu Amua Madam Adelaide Awene sanso na Professor Peter Ohenichei sanso na owura Kwabena Boatin owura ire dela obe sechi Dr. Maxwell Opokwa Ferry ena afesu nana ama dokua esiama ejei eni nipa bia eka ho a sese no mampani ne nado dankwa Akufo-Addo egusa abedwako no
ye to akase bono eso Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Kwabrajima Bawumia sabre wono ne Frank Krafa asonma no woma yi no si woni amanyoko nanim 2024 yekoto abai wonam so wo bonto a wo kan sem yi ni tirimu po e de kire Ghana fo kwa party to aba no e de mano wo kire wo men nyina da dogon wonam digitalization so ama Ghana to ho ayefefe fada ni premier ni na nhihye ba akwa wo de e ba ne se wo se so obi ba ko ni niema porto adwadifo wo tua kawie bi akumase kra no de ba ya santi tax force abeteni dua mpompo asa yi niema gu ama na sa tua ka eno da nchen a yeye Ghana Revenue Authority for ama kwabrane aba abetena wadwumam ede ne etoye na onu kura pen ne prensere na wo chorochoro ni nyina ya de aye maame ne papa no adwadifo ye ha wo no madwen ya wo mo eka ho asem Traders Advocacy Group for Ghana woman ne papa ye hia wo mo de nsem bia gu krata so ba kumienu ne nsa kopumenum kwan ya wo mo nem wa entimi mu wo mo de ato mampanya be de chen mo no so agyatum se wo no de wo bon pa esre onyankropon Allah se Ghana fo nyina be so dia no petututu ye to abana to ne bum ye dia ma Alhaji Mamudu Bawumia wo so pompon so mu sai be ye mampanyina sa wo hawo no obeye free ho owura kwadwo amwaten wodi ko anim ono ene kasa
I will answer a billion.
Yeah, you woman, 21st century, 2024 year you woman. Said Ghana, and then no baby, I will hear say, from a man or to Mordiano, to all of my, baby, a chicken, no from Mang Giana say, yeah, GPS, the boy, I know, and then a commissioner general say, can be at the third year or so, I will be met now. Now, October, or yes, I did a cut in the open inside the idea. It belongs to the 28. Now, Papa means a so that the forest, so be a man that now feel. So you put Jumba, all just a you put or the about to see the elder. At a GRA under the supervision of former commissioner of Amisada. Yeah, you know, Jumania Tete to what said before. I said, doing business in Ghana, a crime. And the vice president, someone will come. And then the day, and one pass it. And yeah, GRA 4 of the Papa over contested as of now, vice president because she get the power of my gun. No one survey, and then a form of China in one flight of everything. I come up with 200, and then a good year at it because of GRA. Do my GRA for a Ghana before. Let me use the container report. No, the custom officers, I'm going to train you. I can see I calculations. I'm not clear. So container here with the buy. Okay, I have to say I'm a 150,000 Ghana cedis. My container with a company warehouse. Oh wow! I want to not GRA for container now we use the good warehouse. I won't take us away. With the paper, I'm a please know that the Uchiama. And that's how the Uchiama. If you do most, go to your black home.
One year won Sikada who awoje ewo abanhwanura awia kase no ye kyerɛkyerɛ mu de kyerɛ mo sɛ Dr. Edu Anane entwi ene ne dom akeka won ho ama kyerɛ sɛ wɔkɔ atena ye hwesi kasɛm ene ade so kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo kobisam fi sɛ ɔmo kai pa sɛ me bosum da na ɛtɔso mfimfiri hɔ baabi no ena wɔde krataa no ɛkɔma asa atra ne sɛ ɔmo hwɛ na ɔmo sika bi aka mu no ɔmo mfa ɛma ɔmo mapem asɛm no apem Emma Cantino, the Monka Satis, Musomoko, now Macoresa de Niema, is it never Moko do Hormon Bambo for Catcher, Mose, and Paniphobia, and Honte Bay, Monsan Sign, Mochi. Now you beside Doctor Edwin and entry say, Edina Corso.
Besides, give them some money, which can cover about 20% of investors' funds there, so the investors get about 20% of their funds. The rest we are prepared to convert it into, let's say, a 4 or 3 year bond, and we are also prepared to even convert the balance into equity in those organizations, restructure the organizations and let them work so that they can also continue to employ people. If you think that their services are no longer needed in this economy, then your law says even if you foresee that in the next 6 months someone will become insolvent, start the resolution process. So if you see that for 4 years, 3 years, 2 years, these people cannot work and they are insolvent, then revoke their licenses and take over the business funds and pay us as you did in 2017, 2018, when similar institutions, you revoke their licenses and you pay investors, we demand the same. That's all. Nothing is solution that will get us to stop. Until we get a solution every 2 weeks, we are doing this, and we will do it till ending. Allow the December for elections and Christmas. And January will come for the second leg. We know, but what is locked up, we don't know, because all the financial institutions have their reports to Bank of Ghana. Bank of Ghana can determine that so far, this is a quantum of amount that are locked up that I should find money to pay. We have, MDK alone has more than 6,000 clients. The rest, I can't put a figure on it. So if one organization alone has more than 6,000, then this 4 you can imagine.
Dr. Edwanane Entry.
Wamine court to Batan Supreme Court to look at Sitinama South Day. Mrashebe any rocks and nests in the Fiamapa or the Assembly court to court to when him say a swap for anyone my bedi chairman Penny and another Danko Kufadu Gina and Mamrani to me sway one more. I see a vetio medium Jumediation on Seminole. I am Penny to me. I say obey said Jumedian to court to Nkabimano. Court to no so qua Sitinama semi at the Fiamapa de Coyano. What watching it? Sam and Penny were to me. So yes, I Jumano. Now Jumedian. Na otembuafo ankasa Ghana paninu wate akonya no so ebi the fame lawyers ni papo ado wono so edi kire mu se wono de ne sanka enkrata bia ene wono so ye de ama won ya akwaya ko anim na bra ye chi ne bra esem no ekoso no eji ono so ekabi.
If this guy does not prosecute the matter, the application will be dismissed. The process he has filed in court will be dismissed. Yes. So, hold on. I think that the duty to fix the date for hearing rests in the registry of the Supreme Court. And I do not understand where this business of people actually scrutinizing when applications are faced for hearing or why these applications are only for hearing even came from. Back in the days, if you file an application in the Supreme Court of Ghana, it takes even 3 months for you to have a date for hearing. It is only after a party has made an application for an expeditious determination of the process that the matter will come up for hearing. And indeed, in the record, we show that this particular case, for the record, it must be indicated that I specifically applied for an expeditious determination of the matter. I applied for an expedited hearing of the application. So it is not the Supreme Court of Ghana picking and choosing which applications to hear and not to hear. Any party to any matter. Back in the days, I used to do it even when I was in opposition. So indeed, it is always the prerogative of the Supreme Court registry to face applications for hearing. And if the date for hearing has not been fixed or is perhaps too far, it is incumbent on the party to apply to the Chief Justice in accordance with the Courts Act and the Constitution of the Republic for an expedited hearing. I think you should ask the plaintiff. The plaintiff is the one who initiated the action. The plaintiff is the one who initiated the action, and the plaintiff ought to bear the responsibility for the conduct of the matter. I'm not conduct the case for a plaintiff. For lawyer.
We ya bala ya Penny Godfrey ya bwa dame ena na wono so echreche ni semu no.
Wone a wagye nuanu no bum na otopete saba ya desuafo no benya bia die no omo so guso ya omo kasa kire se sika no bia tia kam to mo ma ban no nefua mako edu nan se sa ban no anye fast ametu omo kade a ene adwuma no omo ye no ebegyire pa wana won kasa mafo so kwaku amedomeso ede nsam kakra amansam trofo.
From February 2023 to the Chicago, Apim, Aban Puma. I say, Young Pessa, this kind of Bamaye. And Intina, they invite media for and the public service Munti, and Bayana Shasi. If we can't Bakane, the Maya, also this guy, Chiscam, and a paper penalty of Binyano. But a band is a Discama and Binumina, Chiscana, again Binimudia, and Century. And Binimudia, they be a human Amaka. Okay. Yeah, Yakobo, money you try about my and yes my mate kasa fanye manu ya na ekoko kusia de shechu manu na wana okoji ni sika over 1 year ni on that hour on for police ni No, correct. Some of these things are the reason in China, situation. I was buying release over 200 mass suppliers. Now, only few selected people. And you don't expect a school for a Janibeko. Now, the policy of free SHS about my and found that we are Muslim, and found that we are Christian, and found that we are Dulcini, and found that we free upper West Region or a greater Accra region, and another water region, and a chance. So yeah, Jume Peter Abiano Kosono. Yeah, my Niambria, and no more than Kitamo. The last meeting I acquired, Shimua, and the Minister of Education, Shem, or coach says, Biba. Okay. My Kaka, young Kotia, and now they release 10 million, say, Yanka over 108 million. Okoma, 10 million, my first stock so, why never, you might free.
West Africa Examination Council for the Nkrata APM Montreso wa friends and twelve Shiamu ewa matra ekesi ewa crime. Head of Public Affairs Ora John Kapi and Ocheche Mr. Fienso Rankodano eba bechurono so obi nko school baby no beba beba wuramu so no so ba bechulo pie no wose eye enfie miensa ene nkodan de atre school demo ede asua ade ohemu nchemu aduoso ne exams ahodo a wo maye ohemu nchemu aduasa no eye continuous assessment ni nyina no mo kabo mu nti se obi anfa sa ntitie we nyina mu no bebo wuramu saa enya de etimeboa ti afie de wo mo makwan Ora Kapi nasemni
Madam Rosemary
yedi hu ya bebre so Ora Kapi ne no so ate akotomu na de to aso ne se
Shishama Nkrofo a was go from JHS1 to JHS3 and I said SHS1 to SHS3 now obia one co school bia ebia school A one fear say form 1 and could do form 3 no and ya there was a register no na if Osha so here no 70% external exams and 30% continuous assessment it is a one co school no for the 3 years the stressor will internal scores no be cooked scores nti pa obi a cho so mo hwe na nkola ye register obo no students o mark up from form 1 to form 3 after so obi a watch exams na da ebi a watch in 2022 or 2023 and this year register no omo no ya hye private exams piece na ma omo nti obi a ohia additional grade bia na so better than grades bia no on cultural private exams candidates
Betron mono ye bie pon de ato ha mama fam krata I registration no second ekopim 30th April ya na matro mo sori ne 25th October enu nti mo hye no so sa na krata dodo na wo betro no ehwo ka na wo bebo
yeah well was for private candidates and also no ebeshas here higher registration no from 2nd April to 30th August and as of Nakasamba you make sure 25th October to 18th December now and no fees no just say ebia waka say what show 2 papers what show 8 papers and na betche sika betua na ye wo sabi ye mani bia or more problem kakra bia side problems bia unfinanti cerebral palsy and this animal we nyina so e wo hyemo a hyehyɛ ye di mawo nti obia owo abofo bia wo sa problem ne bia no o me asonte na ye power jose time ye dia ma no bia be this represent be ya ye betimi aye shebebe amawo
Public Affairs Wayek Ora John Kapi
Madam Rosemary Edu ene ye panimpa eda Bremai RC school na no what said ya mienim nie ade bi ho no a koso e wo mpote bodo mu a emmo adesua ene adekere ne nyina no eye se ebere omo wo school mu a mo sua ade no obo se na boys e wo area ho no maba se mpacha masema sua ade awie a mumpie yenso bebobo asa agro won se tintim sa ebasa na eyade se ha adekere ene adesua eno da nchen kura no a enchen se dan no ball omo bo no honti ama nchen se dan no nyina tete kura bosuo na epeti a egun kola iso awia na ehye a ehye nkodai emmoa adekere ene adesua kura ebiemu nso ebi wo hono mo a boys ne girls na ewo area hono mo no omo de ho adane hotel ene obeba no pa no ene ma na egu ho no ade nchen mintimi modin nyina no yade a ha dwen enwura bo so manfo de aye chese bibi ewo ho a wodwere ho a entimi mmoa kura na ne nsam wa de ato dwan kyerɛ sɛ osrempani for pa sɛ Bremai RC school no omo ntwom ni mehwɛ school refi sɛ school no ayade a akyɛ na atete abrempon ene ni therapy sakoba se bia ye to school no nsensemu sei no a ayade se ebe hadwen one ye nua be ma ba wabedu ene di san komo ya wo sere sempani fo meboa no yesade a ebe hadwen so na ye no pai na ya ka tro se bomode no pai fo ne kyeremo 21st clinic ye nkrobata bi e pen wo mizo ene 5G no nso so eboa ama wani mu ate wo dwumade bia ya wodi Dr. Silas Adawromanti ubanya bi e ma remfi se 3A Herbal Center no draw friend say Coco Master no e boyen agye afiri how ne amane biam say ayam tim sisiade na afa Coco ana open na kwabra kase na
wahini ni amakrancha da zo of mami premier ni asante ebo a wono na esem for penny ya so ne sokrogen e ma yakosesu mu Elizabeth Tona ono ene betre fidie na chi echinchim so e ma ye sorry de yewura o ma ye wadubo achi trase am wiase nyina achi